You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the capital city of Iraq. Yes, I know it's pronounced Iraq, not Iraq. If you want to learn more capital names from Iraq, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The local pronunciation in Persian, and it's similar in Arabic. Pronunciation is as Baghdad, Baghdad. All right, you have this h sound. Now, in English, it's pronounced Baghdad with a g, a hard G sound. How to pronounce in English? Baghdad, Baghdad. From Iraq, Baghdad. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.